history behind it, years back I was doing everything manually, posting on Craigslist, and this has been something that we've been using for a long time now. So now to finally have it here and to have it for others to enjoy is just it's an amazing feeling. But um, this is really going to help your buyers, automate things, automate just the posting process. You and I know that posting on Craigslist could become a time consuming thing. And, it takes a long time. We're talking like 15, 20 minutes to post one ad. You got to write the title, you got to, set the ads up, the HTML. It becomes a hassle, so now you can preset all of that stuff. So you can preset all of the ads so that they post on, within that day, and you could log into your account. You can choose a variety of things, and we're going to show them and give them in-depth training on how to get it done so that they're not ghosted, so that they're not being blacklisted. It's all concrete training. Okay, so let's dive right into it. So like on the top hand that you see here, the users put their username and login information. They choose the geolocation, the URL. So you can choose, whichever location you're in. Miami.craigslist.org is completely up to them. You just click go and you get this screen here. Okay. All right. So now they can preset their ads as I mentioned before. You can see here I have some for car wash, auto mechanics, dance school, CPA, certified public accountants, tattoos, and my services as well. I'm going to go ahead and click this one here. I'm going to click on edit and give you more of a back end view. So this is where the magic happens pretty much. Users have the option to post on autopilot or post anonymously. We have an API connection I won't get into right now, but this API connection, it allows us to post anonymously. Okay, so what happens is that on the back end, we have IPs that are consistently switching every 5 seconds so that they're not being spotted. So this is like spinning on a daily basis. Okay, there's no fee for them. There's no monthly fee or anything like that. It's 100% free. So they're paying one time to get all of this stuff when we could be charging on a monthly basis. There's guys out there charging monthly fees, and we're one-time fee, and they're getting all of this stuff. So it's a bargain. Server data, we already entered that. That should never be changed at all. The username and login, they could preset their categories, so they could choose where they want to post, their favorite categories to post in. You have the email, the phone, the text, phone number, the title. This is just the general information to be able to post on Craigslist. And we have our template system here, so that they can choose whatever templates they want out of these templates, or we have some more templates on the back end as well, so that they can inject those as well. So they can put the title, the price point, and it'll show exactly how you see here, all nice, very professional, and it's just that simple. Very, very powerful stuff. So let's exit out of here. They can choose show on map. Okay, so that's just generally speaking, this is just to show that Craigslist geolocation. It'll show on the map, so that the visitor actually knows that this is an actual business. We're gonna get in depth into all of this stuff so that they can really take advantage of this. Alrighty, so moving forward, we're gonna click cancel out of here. So now I'm gonna just give you a quick run through. I'm gonna click on web design in Brooklyn, New York. This is me. We're gonna choose one-time interval. Okay, so you can the higher you go is the faster you go. So for this example, I'm gonna just choose one-time interval. All right, just click start. Now I want you to keep in mind that my my mouse is right here. Right, you're gonna see that it's gonna start moving on autopilot. Okay. Alrighty, so you see it's on the next page. It already has the services I selected. the categories. It's all right there. You see it's moving. My mouse is still right here. So you could imagine how much time this is going to save them. Under 1 minute, and we're getting all of this stuff done. Look, I injected my HTML template, title, and then the last part, which is, here we go. Bam, right here. This is where the magic happens, okay? And that's where I'm going to show your buyers exactly how to get it done. How to post on Craigslist without getting blacklisted or ghosted. I've been doing this for a really, really long time locally here in New York, and I have VAs doing this for me from other parts of the world, doing this for me on autopilot, all right? It's very, very powerful stuff. I know your buyers are going to enjoy this stuff. We have materials. Our upsells are amazing. This is all on the FE, guys. There's no monthly cost at all, and it's going to really save your buyers a lot of time. On top of that, not only that, but once you post this ad, it'll keep working one by one. Like, it'll keep going down like one by one. It'll go through each ad posting. Like, it's amazing, so it's really going to save them a lot of time so that they